Friends, welcome to grammar class. Today we are going to learn new topic describing words. In previous class we learned about the naming words. So today we are going to learn about the describing word. What is a describing word? A word that tells us more about the naming words is called a describing word. We already learned about the naming words. There are four parts in that: people, places, animals, things. These four parts in that, no? Which word is tell about that more? The people, places, things, and animals. That word is called the describing word. Okay. Describing words are help to describe, define about the people, places, things, situation, and actions. Okay. Describing words tells us about the color, any kind of color: blue, yellow, red, pink, bright, dark. These all color are called the describing word. This is a tale about the naming words. Shape: round, circle, square, triangle, any kind of shape are called the describing word. Size: large, big, small, little. It's called the size. These all sizes are the describing word. Texture: something is a way that is a feels when you get to touch it. For example, you feel soft, hard. These all called the texture. Okay. It's tell about the name. It's tell about the naming words. Okay. These are describing words. Number: the number is show the age. Any kind of number: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These all numbers are called the naming words. Understand all of you? Now we are going to see some more examples here. My old aunt visits us every day. What is the naming word here? Aunt. And what is the describing word? It is old. How is aunt? She is old. Okay. This is a describing word. The Eiffel Tower is very tall. You can see in this picture also. How is the Eiffel Tower? Very tall. What is the naming word here? Eiffel Tower. And what is the describing word? Tall. Rakesh got 3 stars in his class test. How many stars he got? 3 stars. What is the naming word here? Rakesh. And what is the describing word here? 3. That is a round chocolate cake. Okay. How it is a chocolate cake? It is round. So what is here naming word? Cake. And what is the describing word? Is a round. My brother is a 3 years old. So what is the naming word here? Brother. And how many years old? 3. It is a describe. It is a show how many years old. Okay. That is a 3 number. Now we are going to solve some examples here. Fill in the blanks and choose the describing words from the given below. You can see the picture, the jug of full of water, and in a glass there is no any water. Okay. So we can choose the answer from the box, from the bracket. The jug was full, but glass was dash. There is no any water, so we can't say there is a red glass. Okay, there is a delicious glass. We should say there is a empty. The glass is how? Empty. Empty means no water in that. The jug was full, but glass was empty. like the dash dress very much. You can say the Riya, which color dress she wear? It is in red color. It means she like the red color dress. So answer is here red. Okay. Janvi has a dash bag. Okay, you can see here what the color of her bag. It is a blue. So we can't say here red, empty, delicious. We should say here Janvi has a blue bag. Okay. Summer fruits are very dash. How it is? It is a tasty. Tasty means what? Delicious. Summer foods are very delicious. It is a describing word. They shows how it is a fruits. Okay. See here, the ocean is very dash. How it is ocean? We can't say here red, empty, delicious, blue. It is a deep. Okay. The ocean is here deep. So answer is here deep. The ocean is very deep. Understand all of you here? This lesson describing word? Okay. What is a describing word? Describing word is a giving more information about the object, about the naming words.